presenting a modern IoT device for real-time monitoring of temperature, humidity, and air quality. Experience live dashboard views and instant threshold alerts through WhatsApp, email, and buzzer alarm. This compact IoT device tracks temperature, humidity, and AQI. Sensor data is processed locally, uploaded to a server, and viewed live for fast, corrective action. Receive multi-channel alerts when readings cross preset limits, improving safety and reducing manual checks. Manual monitoring often delays response and lacks real-time visibility. Our solution offers continuous tracking, automatic alerts, and event history for fast, informed actions, enhancing safety and operational efficiency. Sensors collect temperature, humidity, and AQI data. The edge device checks thresholds and uploads readings to a server. Users access live dashboards and receive alerts through WhatsApp, email, and a local buzzer. Sensors capture environmental readings. The controller validates data and checks thresholds, uploading values to the server. The dashboard displays live stats and trends, while abnormal events trigger instant messages and buzzer alerts. The device instantly notifies users if temperature, humidity, or AQI exceeds safe limits. Notifications are sent via mobile, WhatsApp, email, dashboard, and buzzer alarm, enabling quick response before conditions impact operations. View current readings, device health, alerts, and historical trends from smartphone or laptop. Access live values, event logs, and trend analysis for comprehensive environmental oversight. Enjoy real-time monitoring, instant alerting, remote dashboard access, and data logging. Early alerts improve safety, while scalable design supports expansion to multiple locations, more sensors, and advanced analytics. Ideal for manufacturing, labs, server rooms, warehouses, offices, hospitals, schools, smart buildings, and environmental stations. The platform supports centralized monitoring for multiple devices and locations. Planned enhancements include a mobile app, AI-based prediction, SMS alerts, multiple device monitoring, automatic HVAC control, and battery backup. This device delivers live visibility and fast alerts, empowering users with smart monitoring and reliable data for improved safety and control.